Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to cut sound in Capcut using your iPhone. So in this project, I already have a video with a background music, but the music is way too long, way longer than the video itself. So I need to cut this audio in this exact part. So what I need to do is click on this audio over here. Click on the audio layer over here. And then I'm going to separate this audio, so I'm going to click on split like this, and the audio is separated into this first part and the second part. And to cut the second part, I need to click on the second part and then click on delete over here, and the second part will be removed from the video. So that's how we cut sound in Capcut. You can cut any part of the audio using the same method, which is you have to split the part first, and then you can remove the part that you don't want in the video. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you find this tutorial useful for you. Bye bye.